Hi guys, my name's Emily. I'm here today at our Moana Lane location to tell you a little bit about a very special houseplant, which is the Easter Cactus. So we've got them in a variety of fun colors this year. We've got white, red, fuchsias, light pinks, and orange. They are fantastic houseplants, great for beginners, and they also make a great host gift. So these guys are awesome. They have really nice star-shaped flowers. They will bloom for a long time. As you can see, this one's got a mixture of open flowers and buds. When they're done flowering, a great way to contribute to their success for next year is going to be to fertilize. These guys need a lot of phosphorus in order to produce more flowers, so I would recommend 2 different fertilizers that you can pick between. You can use either our African Violet blend by Fertilome, which is a really nice 8-10-8 fertilizer. It's got that higher phosphorus and it's good for a heavy feeding right after they flower. Additionally, we have the Fertilome Succulent and Cactus mix. This one's got a lower nitrogen, so you're not going to see as much of a flush of new growth, but this will give them all the phosphorus and potassium they need to recover after flowering. So it's a great way to make sure that you're going to get good flowers next year and every year beyond that. So another cool thing about these plants is they are epiphytes, which means that in nature, they actually don't need soil to grow. So if you're putting yours in a pot, or if you're wondering what's the best soil to use, I would recommend our orchid bark. Adding this to your soil is a great thing to do. It'll allow for a little bit more drainage, which is going to be great for these guys because they want a lot of air for their roots to breathe. So since these guys aren't true cacti, what does that mean when it comes to watering? Well, they're gonna want a lot more water than your average cactus. Usually we recommend to water cactus about once every 2 to 4 weeks. These guys you'll need to check at least once a week. They don't like to dry out very much. A great way to tell is if you look at your plant here, each leaf is gonna have a strong middle vein. When these leaves start to thin out and you can see a very prominent vein in the middle, that's a good sign that you need to water. But always check your soil with your finger first to make sure that it's totally dry. So if you've got an event coming up or you're gonna be celebrating Easter or a birthday, this is a great gift to bring. They're super easy and approachable for houseplants. They'll tell you exactly when they wanna be watered, and they're gorgeous, which is a must-have and a gift.